Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we're going to talk about a very useful topic, ordering food at a restaurant. Whether you are eating out, traveling, or just practicing English, knowing the right phrases and polite expressions is very important. I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. When you enter a restaurant, the first thing you do is greet the staff. A simple hello or good evening works perfectly. For example, hello, table for one, please. Good evening. We have a reservation under the name Smith. It's important to be polite. Always use words like please and thank you. Next, the host or waiter may ask you, how many people? Or do you have a reservation? You can answer, 2 people, please. Yes, we have a reservation for 7 p.m. under the name Johnson. After being seated, the waiter usually gives you a menu. Here are some phrases to use. Could I see the menu, please? Thank you. May I have a look at the menu? Notice how polite phrases like could I, may I, and please make your conversation very natural and friendly. Sometimes you may need time to decide what to order. You can say, could I have a few minutes to decide, please? I need a little time to choose, thank you. These expressions are very polite and common in English-speaking countries. Now, let's talk about ordering drinks first. It's very common to order drinks before food. You can say, I'll have a glass of water, please. Could I have a cup of coffee? I would like a soda, please. Remember, use I'll have, could I have, or I would like. These are standard polite ways to order. Sometimes you want to ask for recommendations. Here's how. What do you recommend? Could you suggest a popular dish? What's the special today? Asking politely shows respect and makes the waiter happy to help. Once you decide, it's time to order food. Here are common expressions. I'll have the chicken salad, please. Could I try the spaghetti bolognese? I would like the grilled fish, thank you. Notice how polite words like please and thank you are important. Sometimes you may need small changes in your order, like asking for less salt or no onions. You can say, could I have it without onions, please? I would like the salad with no dressing, thank you. Can I have extra sauce on the side, please? If you want to ask about ingredients because of allergies or preferences, does this dish contain nuts? Is it vegetarian? Could you make it gluten-free? These questions are polite and show that you care about your health or preferences. Now, let's practice ordering appetizers or starters. Common expressions. I'll start with the soup, please. Could we have the bruschetta as a starter? We would like a small salad to begin. For the main course, you can say, I'll have the steak with mashed potatoes, please. Could I try the grilled salmon? I would like the vegetarian pasta. Thank you. Sometimes you want to order for someone else. You can say, she'll have the chicken curry. We'll share the pizza and pasta. He would like the burger with fries, please. Let's also learn how to ask about portion sizes. Is this dish large or small? Could I have a half portion, please? How big is the serving? These are useful for restaurants where portions may be big. Next, we often need to ask for condiments or extras. Could I have some ketchup, please? May I get extra napkins? Could we have some more bread? Thank you. Sometimes we want to order drinks or dessert after the main course. You can say, "Could I see the dessert menu, please?" "I'd like a coffee and a slice of cake." "We'll have 2 ice creams, thank you." When you're ready to ask for the bill, polite expressions are, "Could we have the bill, please?" "May I pay now? Thank you." "Can we settle the check, please?" It's always polite to thank the waiter when leaving. "Thank you very much. The meal was excellent." "Thanks for your help. Have a nice evening." Now, let's practice common expressions in conversations with waiters. Waiter: "Good evening. Are you ready to order?" You: "Yes, thank you. I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Waiter: "Would you like a side salad with that?" You: "Yes, please. Could I also have a glass of water?" Waiter: "Of course. Anything else?" You: "No, thank you. That's all for now." Notice how polite and clear your sentences are. You can also ask about the menu politely. "Could you tell me what's in the chicken curry?" "What kind of drinks do you have?" "Do you have any vegetarian options?" And asking for clarification, "Could you explain this dish?" "I'm not sure what this is. Could you describe it, please?" "Is this spicy or mild?" Now, let's talk about expressions for making requests politely. Could I have? May I try? Would you mind? Examples: Could I have extra sauce? May I try the chocolate cake? Would you mind bringing some napkins? Sometimes you want to change your mind politely. "I'm sorry, I'd like to change my order." "Could I have the pasta instead of the burger, please?" "I'd like to switch my drink to a juice, thank you." You can also express preferences politely. "I prefer grilled fish, thank you." "I'd like my steak medium rare, please." "Could I have my salad without tomatoes?" When talking about food quality or taste, you can say politely, "The meal is delicious, thank you." "The soup is very tasty. I really enjoyed the dessert." And if you have a problem with your order, you can say politely, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake in my order." "I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered." "Could I get a replacement, please?" Finally, common phrases for leaving the restaurant. "Thank you for the excellent service." "We enjoyed our meal. Thank you very much." "Have a great evening." Politeness is very important when ordering food. Using please, thank you, could I, may I, and would you mind makes your English sound natural and friendly. Sometimes you may want to ask about daily specials. You can say, "What are today's specials? Could you tell me the chef's special? Is there any dish you recommend today?" When ordering a special, you can say politely, "I'd like the chef's special, please. Could I try the special of the day?" If you are ordering multiple dishes for a group, you can say, "We'll have 2 pasta dishes and 1 salad, please. Could we get 3 burgers and a side of fries? I'd like to order 2 steaks and 1 grilled fish, thank you." Sometimes you may want to ask about portion sizes or servings. You can ask, "Is this dish big enough for 2 people? Could I have a half portion, please? How many pieces are in this appetizer?" If you have dietary restrictions or allergies, it's important to ask politely. "Does this contain nuts? Is it gluten-free? Could you make it vegetarian, please? I'm allergic to seafood. Could you suggest something safe? Let's learn how to ask for modifications politely. Could I have the pasta without cheese, please? I'd like the salad with dressing on the side, thank you. Could you make the dish less spicy? Sometimes you may want to ask about cooking methods. Could you grill the chicken instead of frying it? I prefer my steak medium rare, please. Can the vegetables be steamed instead of fried? Now let's talk about ordering drinks with food. You can combine your order politely. I'd like a glass of water and the grilled chicken, please. Could I have a soda with my burger? I'll have a cup of coffee and a slice of cake, thank you. Sometimes you want to ask for recommendations for drinks. What drink do you recommend with pasta? Could you suggest a wine that goes well with fish? Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks you recommend? When ordering desserts, you can use these polite phrases. Could I see the dessert menu, please? I'd like the chocolate cake, thank you. We'll have 2 ice creams and 1 cheesecake, please. If you want to share food with someone, you can say, "We'll share the pizza, please." Could we get 2 plates for this dish? I'd like to share this salad with my friend, thank you. Now, let's learn how to handle problems politely if something goes wrong. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake in my order. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered. Could I get a replacement, please? I'm sorry, this dish is cold. Could you warm it up? It's very important to stay calm and polite. Using excuse me and please shows respect. For example, excuse me, could I have more napkins, please? I'm sorry, but I'm allergic to peanuts. Could you check if this contains peanuts? Sometimes you may want to ask about the bill politely. Could we have the bill, please? May I pay now? Thank you. Can we settle the check, please? When paying, you can also ask about payment methods politely. Do you accept credit cards? Could I pay by card? Do you accept mobile payments? Now let's practice full dialogues at a restaurant. Dialogue 1. Ordering for 1 person. Waiter, good evening. Are you ready to order? Yes, thank you. I'd like the grilled salmon with the side salad, please. Would you like any drinks with that? Could I have a glass of water, please? Of course. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Dialogue 2. Ordering for a group. Hello, how many people? 4 people, please. Do you have a reservation? Yes, under the name Brown. Here's the menu. Can I start you off with drinks? Yes, 2 coffees, a soda, and a glass of water, please. And for food, we'll have 2 pizzas, 1 pasta, and 1 salad, please. Would you like any starters? Yes, we'll share the bruschetta. Thank you. Now let's talk about polite ways to decline something. No, thank you. That's fine. I'm okay, thank you. No, thanks. I'm full. If you want to ask for more of something, you can say politely, "Could we have some more bread, please? May I get extra sauce? Could I have another glass of water?" When leaving the restaurant, it's polite to thank the staff. Thank you for the excellent service. We really enjoyed our meal. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Let's also learn useful adjectives for describing food. Delicious, tasty, flavorful, spicy, sweet, sour, salty, fresh, hot, cold, crispy, soft, tender, juicy. You can use these adjectives in sentences. The pasta is delicious, thank you. The chicken is very tender and juicy. I love this dessert. It's sweet and fresh. Sometimes you want to ask if a dish is spicy or mild. Is this dish spicy? Could you make it mild? I prefer it not too spicy, please. You can also ask about ingredients politely. Does this salad contain nuts? Is there cheese in this dish? Could you tell me what's in the soup? For expressing satisfaction, this is really good. I love this dish. The meal was excellent. For expressing small complaints politely. I'm sorry, but the soup is a little cold. Could you warm it up, please? Excuse me, but I think this isn't what I ordered. Would it be possible to get some more sauce? Let's practice a full example for dessert and drinks. Waiter, would you like to see the dessert menu? Yes, please. We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and ice cream. I'll have a slice of cheesecake and a cup of coffee, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You can also ask for the check politely. Could we have the bill, please? May I pay now? Can I pay by card, please? And when leaving, thank you for your help. We enjoyed our meal. Have a nice evening. Remember, politeness is key. Words like please, thank you, excuse me, could I, may I, and would you mind make your English natural and friendly. Now you know how to order food, ask questions, handle problems, ask for drinks and desserts politely, and pay the bill politely. Practice these phrases every time you eat out. Try imagining real situations or role-playing with a friend. This will improve your confidence and fluency. And that's it for part 2. You now know advanced ordering phrases, polite expressions, and how to handle any restaurant situation in English. Thank you for listening, and remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll become when ordering food in English.